Namaskar Mitro. Today I'm going to talk about planet Venus. It is also considered as the best friend of planet Saturn. So, before I start this topic, I will tell you all a small story, okay, to explain about the features of this particular planet. There was a person who used to work hard. He used to get a good salary. He used to get a salary from where he could save ample amount and he could enjoy his life as well. But when he used to go back to his home, his life was only having food, taking rest, going back again for the next day to office. That is what is planet Venus when it is weak. Planet Venus is the lord for luxuries, artistic creations, anything which is innovative, anything which involves relationship, which involves love and affection, which involves something new to be coming to this world. That is planet Venus. Anything which is luxuries, anything which is enjoyment, anything which will make you feel blissful. Okay, so you might find many people who are extremely rich, but still they are not able to enjoy their life as a person who has money in ample amount, and like a person who has money which is standard amount and still they are able to enjoy going to restaurants, having all the luxuries at home, having an AC at home, any kind of luxuries. I'm talking about any kind of luxuries, be it money related or be it tangible or intangible. Okay, now if planet Venus is weak, generally it is seen in those recipients that they don't wear well ironed clothes. Clothes would be clean in some cases, but they wouldn't be presentable in the sense. Okay, and also in some cases you will find that they wouldn't care about changing their bed sheets or the pillow covers. They would keep it shabby and it would be stinking. They wouldn't even care about it, just go to sleep and all. They wouldn't maintain the hygiene that is required. That is also a weak planet Venus. Planet Venus, if it is weak in some recipients, it also shows that not even presentable. They will be much more focused on outward beauty rather than inward beauty. So for an example, you will find few folks who are very much interested in how they look, but they do not take a note of how they behave. That also shows a weak planet Venus. Planet Venus, if it is weak on a recipient's chart, they would have everything, but they wouldn't enjoy the life. They would have a very good bike, a very good car, but never get an opportunity to travel on it. It would be like that. Okay. If planet Venus is extremely good for a recipient, they would be attractive. I'm not talking about fairness of the skin, but I'm talking about their presence, their personality. It would be very attractive and they would be always in the limelight. Anything which they do, it would be coming into limelight. It will be a word of mouth in a positive way for that particular folk. What is a movie? If I explain you all, what is a movie? A movie is something which is created, which is in reality, which has been created, right? But it doesn't occur necessarily on a daily basis or on a reality. I can create a sci-fi movie. It is a sci-fi movie which has never occurred in reality, which has never taken place in the timeline, but it is present on a reel. The people are viewing it. It is like planet Venus. So planet Venus, if it is weak on a person's chart, that person would be extremely shy to start a conversation with a stranger. They would always wait for the stranger, for the other person to start the conversation rather than they themselves starting it. Okay, They would be very shy to express their emotions. That also shows a weak planet Venus. You will find few folks who are extremely attentive about their looks, but even if they look stark, perfect, they would still have a doubt of their looks. They would still always be asking their friend or the person who is along with them that whether they are looking good, whether they are looking okay. So whether they are looking presentable, they will always have a doubt. They will always have a doubt in their mind. They would always be the planet Venus, if it is weak, the person would always be in a thirst for getting appreciation from others. They wouldn't appreciate others, but they would be waiting for others to appreciate them. They would be always in that mindset. If planet Venus is weak, they would have very less contacts. The circle which they would have would be limited, and even in that they would have hurdles in keeping relationships. See, planet Venus for men, it is the lord for their wife, marriage. Okay, so if planet Venus is weak in a particular recipient's chart, they would have delayed marriage or late marriage, or they wouldn't be able to marry the girl whom they like if they are in an affair or if they are in a long-term relationship. If planet Venus is malefic, the person would have hurdles in marriage, hurdles in getting married, delay in marriages, divorces, or might be separated from their wife, from their better half. Because for men, planet Venus represents wife. And in some cases it is also seen that if planet Venus is weak, even if they have a long-term relationship with a girl before marriage, and if they want to marry that particular girl, it wouldn't happen, or if it happens with a lot of hurdles. Okay, planet Venus is the lord for sexual pleasure, but if it gets weak or malefic, these people will be mostly into addictions towards sexual pleasures like drugs. Okay, they will be frequent visitors to brothels, prostitution, these kind of, they would go in this direction if planet Venus is weak. This is one of the exceptional cases which I have read about, or I have heard it from a few astrologers, is planet Venus, if it is weak, your sweat would be stinky and you wouldn't feel fresh even after taking a bath. That is a weak planet Venus. In that case, the person should be applying deos, fragrances. They should be if it's possible, they should add fragrance to the water in which they are having bath. Okay, and in this case, like, it is always good to do those practical solutions which will enhance the planet Venus in a positive way. There are few couples, guys, who have no child, or they have a child after so many years of marriage. It also shows a weak planet Venus, because planet Venus represents something new in the family, or also it is the lord for semen in men and ovaries in women. So if any couple is facing these kind of issues, they should definitely get a doctor consultation done, but also do these kind of remedies related to planet Venus. For businessmen, if they want to run their businesses efficiently with profits, and it should go in one go, it is planet Venus. If a recipient has a very strong and a good planet Venus placed in the chart or in life, within the age of 20 to 24, he would be settled. He would be married, he would have his own home, or he would have all the luxuries what a person gets in 30s or in late 30s. See, planet Venus rules over the body parts. I'm going to tell the body parts which planet Venus rules over. It is eyes, generative system, throat, chin, cheeks, kidneys. Okay, so as you all can see, I told you the expression, the looks and all, these all are some body parts which planet Venus rules. Okay, physical appearance. How would be the physical appearance of the people who have a good planet Venus? The people would have a strong influence of Venus, has average height, plumpy body, round and pimped face, or oval and very attractive. They have bright, kind and pleasing eyes, pleasant voice, sweet smile and curly hair. If Venus is afflicted adversely, it bestows less beauty. In general, they come out as winner in any competition, especially when they apply for reception department as private secretary, or anything which involves camera, anything which involves presence, anything whichever you see in artistic field, like songs, like movies, theaters, short films, television, okay, any kind, wherever you see, like regionally they are pretty famous, like actor Rajnikant, Kamal Hassan and Chiranjeevi, many kind of actors who are regionally famous, they have a very good placed planet Venus. I'm going to talk about the diseases now, okay. Catamenia, diseases of ovaries, mucus diseases, skin disease, bright disease, cysts, swelling, goiter, gout, anemia and other complications due to overindulgence in amusement, eating, drinking, etc. It happens, including gonorrhea and syphilis. There is one more thing, guys. If you have skin related problems for a long time, it is planet Venus which is weak. Those are the symptoms that it shows that it's either weak or malefic. Now coming back to the practical solutions, guys. Okay, the people who have a weak planet Venus, they should stop having sugar in normal quantities. Whatever normal quantities they used to have it, they should try to reduce that quantity of sugar. Okay, try to do fasting on a Friday and donate white colored, cream color clothes to a priest or to an old aged poor man. Okay, that will really help. And start wearing cream colored clothes. Cream colored, something that is solid and white color in food represents planet Venus, like sugar, like dairy whitener, rice, okay, paneer, any kind of cottage cheese or any kind of white colored sweet which is solid, it represents planet Venus. You can also donate those things. Okay, include the food made from pure ghee on Fridays. It really helps. There is one more thing, guys. This practical solutions actually work. If you are married, respect your wife. Give her cosmetic items as a gift which will enhance her beauty, which will make her feel happy. Give her those gift items and that will actually enhance planet Venus. If you're not married, do bow before your mom every day in the morning when you wake up. It will increase the effect of positive effects of planet Venus in your life. Okay, in some cases, some astrologers also say to keep money plant in your bedroom or in your living space, wherever you in the house, wherever you spend most of the time. Okay, but money plant is again a feng shui thing which is not related to astrology, Indian astrology or Vedic astrology. So you all can have a consultation with the astrologer about this. Spiritual solutions, guys. If you do the practical solutions, one more thing, guys, I forgot one thing in practical solutions is you can wear opal stone. It doesn't has any negative effects or any kind of negative impacts in your life. Opal is a semi-gem stone. It's a semi-precious stone for diamond. The main stone for planet Venus is diamond. You all can see of all the stones whichever planet have, this planet has the most expensive stone, that is diamond. So you all can wear semi-gem stone, that is opal. Fiery opal is preferred by astrologers. It is really good. It enhances, but it doesn't shows effects immediately. It does take time. It might be 3 months, it might be 6 months. It is based on your karma. It is based on the aura which you carry, the deeds which you all carry. Okay, so starting with spiritual solutions, planet Venus is ruled by goddess Lakshmi. So start worshipping goddess Lakshmi. Start doing pujas, start doing those activities which impresses goddess Lakshmi. Okay, feed the white colored cow on a Friday. It is very good to enhance planet Venus. In case if you all can't afford opal stone, you all can try to increase the amount of silverware in your daily life. Like for an example, get a silver glass, or wear a silver chain, or wear a silver kada, or wear a silver ring on this finger. This is the middle finger, is the finger where you can wear planet Venus. Planet Venus to some recipients also gives short tempered behavior. They get angry on very or everything that they come across, or very short timings they would get angry. So I had consulted one of the astrologer, and he told me that those kind of people should wear thumb ring on both of their hands, thumb rings on both of their hands, which will actually enhance their personality, their presence. Whatever they will talk will have an effect, and they would be easily able to maintain relationships in a good way. They would face less hurdles. So try these out solutions, guys. My point here is that to make your life under your control through symptoms, through solutions which you all can really try. These all are practical solutions, guys. And I thank you for being my viewers for the video. I got totally 281 subscribers, guys. I'm thankful to all of you. I thank you. I bow before you all for being my subscribers. Continue liking, sharing and commenting on my videos. I really love you all. You all are my life. You all are my bloodline for being on social media platform called YouTube. And I consider you all a family, a YouTube family. Thank you so much. Take care. Jai Shri Ram.